Hello guys, okay, so I'm going to show you how to download the book. Okay, the name of the website is uh, Penguin Readers. Okay, uh, the page is frenglish.ru. Okay, and it's going to appear in Russian. Okay, this is Russian, the Cyrillic alphabet. You can, if you use Google Chrome, you are likely to have this option to translate it to English. Okay, and then you're going to have the information in English. If you have a different translator, or sorry, a different web browser, it may not have this option, but don't worry, it's okay. It's okay. So we're just going to do as follows. Okay, you just need to look here where you have the one that says Penguin Readers Level 2. Okay, and then you choose the book you want to download. Okay, it can be any book. Okay, you just read the titles. The one I don't recommend to download is Gulliver's Travels. Why not? Because it doesn't have many pictures. Okay, I worked this book with a different group and it didn't have many pictures. So I mean, you can do it if you like, but you will have to find the images on your own. Okay, it doesn't have many books. So you just for example, you just choose one book, for example, Flintstones. Okay, and then you click here in free download. Okay, free download. Okay, here it tells me that I have to wait, so I need to wait some time, but don't worry. La verdad estaba haciendo el tutorial, pero no me di cuenta que no estaba grabando. Entonces aquí tengo ya el otro libro descargado. Le aparece, solo le aparece, le da clic en, click on I'm not a robot and download, and it starts downloading automatically. Okay, and that's it. You wait until it finishes downloading it.